have time?
Oh yeah, of course, anytime, man.
Wow, really? Thanks, man.
Okay, so what do you need help with, man?
So yeah, man, I got a charger stuck in my wall, and every time I try to pull it out, it always shocks me. So I was wondering if you can help me a little bit.
Yeah, sure, man. I'll take a look at it, man. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. Right here, let's see if I pull it out. Oh my goodness, man. I hope you're okay, man. You know, like, that was a loud noise, so, like, if the cops come, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, bro, we better bounce. Oh, wrong way.